How to add friends in Pinterest. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends in Pinterest. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. So make sure that you have installed the latest version of Pinterest on your device. Go to the Google Play Store and see if there is any update option available. If there is not any update option available, then just open your Pinterest application and you will go through an home screen like this. Now after that, where you need to go is go to the notification bar, which looks like a chat icon. After that, go to the inbox option and here you will see the very option of invite your friends. Tap here. Now you can send the link on your Facebook, Instagram messages, WhatsApp and many other things, and also you can copy the link and paste it somewhere and invite your friends to the Pinterest. Like this, you can add your friends on Pinterest just like that. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.